Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Typeform for customer feedback in dropshipping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one at typeform.com. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Typeform button. Select a template that suits your customer feedback needs. Customize the template by adding or removing questions. Use different question types such as multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended responses. Incorporate branding elements by adding your logo, colors, and fonts. Next, configure the settings for your Typeform. Enable notifications to receive alerts when customers submit feedback. You can also set up a thank you screen or redirect users to your website after submission. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click on the Share tab to get your Typeform link. Alternatively, you can embed the Typeform directly into your website. For embedding, copy the provided HTML code. Go to your website's content management system. Navigate to the page where you want the feedback form to appear. Paste the HTML code in the appropriate section of the page. Ensure that you are in the HTML editing mode if required. Next, preview your changes to make sure the Typeform displays correctly. Save the changes on your website. To test the form, open the page in a new tab and fill out the Typeform. Verify that the responses are recorded in your Typeform dashboard. Start analyzing the feedback to improve your dropshipping business. Consider using the feedback to make data-driven decisions. Regularly check for new responses to stay updated with customer opinions. Once you've gathered sufficient feedback, implement necessary changes in your dropshipping operations. Promote the feedback form to your customers through email campaigns or social media channels. By effectively using Typeform, you can enhance customer experience and satisfaction. This method will help you gather insightful feedback to drive your dropshipping success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.